Alright, we are here at Cheesefest 2020, Marcoot, Jersey Creamery, and it's outside of Greensville, Illinois. It's about a 2-hour drive from St. Louis. Usually, this is their 10th anniversary, so the festival this year, everyone stays in their car. So we drove up over there. That's the welcome window. Follow the sign. There's the cows that are producing all the cheese, the milk for the cheese, and now we wait in this line. And they have an order form. I was gonna get the final one, but then I realized it has ice cream in it, and we didn't bring a cooler, so I gotta rethink the order form. But I really like how they're doing all this. So let me almost lost their number out the window. A little windy. Oh, and then they have a local radio station playing, giving all the info.
We hope you enjoy the Cheesefest photo booth experience. To download your photos, please visit the Smug.
So this is the order form. We're just waiting to turn it in. I totally forgot to bring a cooler. I don't know why. Just not thinking. A little tired getting up this morning. So no ice cream. We're gonna get everything else we want, like, because it's cool in the car. The cheese and the meat is gonna be fine for an hour, but ice cream would not. Don't think ice cream would last in the car.
No,
but
it's like 89 degrees.
it's 89 degrees. But they also have boxed lunches to go, so we're gonna get a boxed lunch too. So anyway, I was saying earlier, this has been around for over 10 years, and because of the whole pandemic and the rules in Illinois, everyone has to stay in their car. But it's kind of unique. I'm glad they're making it work. So we're just waiting, listening to their story on the radio, and people watching. I just handed in the order form, and she actually said the ice cream has been deep freezed all night, and they come in cooler bags. And so we went ahead and got the big kahuna that has everything, and because she thinks it's perfectly fine to drive with it in an hour as long as it's sitting covered, not in direct sunlight. So yay, we're gonna get a little bit of everything. And of course, when we get home and later, we will show everything we got. I also got a t-shirt. They have a commemorative t-shirt. Oh, and we're gonna get a closer view of the cows.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, this is the line. And I don't know if you see that sign that says enter only, and that E is yellow. So they have a kids activity to keep kids, entertained. It was supposed to write down all the yellow letters, and it's gonna spell out something, and then I think the kids get a prize at the end for doing it. So
A free cow.
a free cow. I'm pretty sure it's gonna say, "I love cheese," or something like that.
Marcoots?
I love Marcoots. Is that what it's gonna
I don't know.
say?
That's my guess.
That's an E in that one. Alright, Robert's a lot smarter than me. It's gonna say, "I love Cheesefest." What was that game we'd play as kids? What's the Hangman? He would totally won at Hangman.
I was always good at that.
Yeah. Alright.
Wheel of Fortune too.
Wheel of Fortune?
Yeah, that was my thing.
I was pretty good at Wheel of Fortune. And Jeopardy, but Wheel of Fortune. No, you know what? It was Jeopardy. You're good at Wheel of Fortune. I'm good at Jeopardy.
There was a man on a thing. A thing.
That was sucking.
He scared me.
He scared you. I'm just hanging out, chilling. more piggy noises. They snore in their sleep.
It's got spots on
They're mad that he left.
it. They are.
I think they were upset that you left.
Yeah, they were. They don't like that.
He's just relaxing in the shade. Glad they have shade for all of them.
Take care of their animals. He looks like a statue.
He does. He's alive.
I like his ears.
He's
He's looking at you. He's trying to determine if he can spit that far.
he cannot. Don't even try it. There's
That's a
puppies
pretty
up
horse.
here.
Let's see if she can.
No, now she's peeking.
She's moving with us. She's moving with us.
Oh, that's so funny.
That was funny. Alright, so much for
Alright. Alright, so we were actually going almost to the end. You see, these are now it's backed up all the way there. And then you circle around over here. So we've been an hour and 13 minutes so far.
that. Very successful event.
But
Look,
that's
I mean,
fine.
they're backed up there.
I know they're backed up. Oh, I can actually see them all the way over there. Don't mind the wait. They got all these animals all over the place, and everyone's super friendly. And it's interesting. It's an interesting way to have a cheese fest during a pandemic.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this.
We have a whole bunch of buckets from Buckeyes. That's a local farm store in Osceola, Missouri. They must have donated something. That's pretty cool. Illinois. I know we're in Illinois, but I said they're Osceola, Missouri.
Awesome selection of root beer.
They do. They have the best selection of different brands of root beer. So close. I'm ready for that grilled cheese sandwich. I want my grilled cheese sandwich.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
I'm hungry.
I'm never hungry.
You're never hungry, but you're hungry now.
I'm hungry now.
Almost there. That's that blue tint. That's the end goal. The end game. Alright, we've got 2 box lunches to go. It's
Ooh.
grilled cheese sandwich and cheese curds.
Wow.
And we are gonna find somewhere to pull over. Our We are back. So I bought a t-shirt. They were all wearing the t-shirts and I liked the design. So I got a t-shirt and then they gave us a goodie bag. I'll look at that later. And then these are our 4 bags of stuff. Let me do the, Robert, will you open the ice cream? That way he can get those in the freezer. So.
I should doubt. Why is this so difficult?
Or this one. You got it?
There we go.
Alright. So, oh yeah, homemade ice cream. That is awesome. It's still a little,
It's cold still.
it's still cold.
We just have to get it in the freezer.
Yeah, he's gonna get that. Cookies and
Freezer.
cream, chocolates, strawberry. We will find spots in the freezer for that. Vanilla. It's not melted over the sides, that's all that matters. Strawberry. Okay. And then this is the bags of cheese. So, oh yeah, they have their label on it and everything. So, cheese curds. I will say we ate the grilled cheese and
Oh my God.
the fried cheese curds. Oh, they were the best fried cheese curds we ever had. The grilled cheese sandwich was awesome. So, that was a nice box of lunch. And then this is garlic herb. More of the regular. And Gouda Alpine cheddar. I'm gonna grab the rest of that cheese out, honey. And then garlic herb.
White cheddar?
White cheddar, that's different. Ooh, creamy Havarti. Is that, how do you say that?
Havarti, I think.
Havarti?
I don't know what this is. I've never heard of that cheese.
Okay, so they're all different cheeses.
Baby Swiss.
And baby Swiss. That's good, because the
then
cheese curds were repeated, but all these
that's
are
good.
different.
Gouda. Good
Gouda. So, alright. And then the last is
Beef
they
roast.
must also butcher. And so we got this beef roast,
Oh, we got some beef cube steaks.
beef cube steak.
We could probably make a chicken fried steak out of that.
Oh,
If we
that's a
wanted
good
to.
idea. I would like to try that.
We got some
A bag of popcorn,
bread.
red rustic popcorn. That looks cool. A thing of honey from Illinois. Does it say?
Yeah.
Yep, Clinton County, Illinois.
Ground beef.
Ground beef. So,
Ground beef. Ground beef. Ground beef.
ground beef.
Ground beef. And
A
that's
lot
it.
of ground beef. All right, 5 rolls of ground beef. So all together, everything here,
$2,000.
no, it was $170. T-shirt, box lunch, all this cheese and meat, $170. But of course, you're paying more because it's a farm. It's awesome. Definitely will support the business. Everyone was super nice. It ended up taking an 1.5-hour drive, but once they get back open to normal and they do other festivals, I would go again. I would definitely go again just for that grilled cheese. So, if you're in the area, definitely check out the Marcoot, Jersey Creamery. So, it was a cool farm, and it was neat to see all the animals, and all the employees were super nice. So, highly recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.